in 24 hours. In this post I'm going to show you exactly how to rank your YouTube videos. In fact, this is the exact process that you can use to grow your channel to thousands of views per month. So if you want to get more views, subscribers and traffic from YouTube, then you'll love this new YouTube SEO tutorial. We will cover this topic within 5 major steps. 1. Keyword research. The YouTube SEO process begins with video keyword research. Here's exactly how to find the right keywords for your YouTube videos. First, generate a list of keywords ideas. Your first step is to generate a big list of potential keywords. Then, in the next step, I'll help you find the best keyword from your list. Here's how to find keywords for your YouTube videos. One of my favorite strategies is to use the YouTube's Search Suggest feature. All you need to do is head over to YouTube and pop in a word or phrase and YouTube will hand you a bunch of keywords related to what you typed in. 2. Make an attractive video. Here's the truth. If you want your videos to rank, you need to keep people watching. The amount of your video that people watch is known as audience retention. And YouTube has gone on the record saying, audience retention is a huge ranking factor. 3. Title, description and tags. Title. The title of your video should be at least 5 words long. That way, you can include your full keyword. Description. Your video's description is super important. Your video description helps YouTube and Google understand the context of your video. And the better they understand your video, the higher you'll rank, and the more often you'll show up in the suggested video sidebar. Here are the basic guidelines for the description. Include your keyword in the first 25 words. Make the description at least 250 words. Include your keyword 2-4 times. This SEO-optimized description helps tell Google and YouTube what your video is about without being spam. Tags. Here's how you should use video tags for your videos. Your first tag is your exact target keyword. Example, Google SEO. You should also include a few variations of that word or phrase. Example, Google Search Engine Optimization. Finally, you should make a few of tags other topics that your video covers. Example, link building, content marketing. We talked a lot about creating videos that maximize audience retention and user experience signals. This is important. 4. How to get maximum views. For YouTube to measure the signals, you need to get views on your video. Here are some strategies you can use to get targeted views to your video. Mention your video on Quora and other Q&A sites whenever you write a blog post, on your site or as a guest post for another site. Think to yourself, where can I embed a YouTube video into this post? 5. Playlist. Playlists are one of the best ways to get more views on your videos. After all, playlists automatically play every video in the playlist, which can lead to thousands of extra views every month. To get more video SEO solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool points to put in your video SEO, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.